This person managed to make 10K a month since starting from 2023. And this guy managed to get his first client 2 days ago, starting from a complete beginner, not knowing anything about the online world. And lastly, this guy managed to get a barbershop to pay him $1,000 every single month as a complete beginner. And what do all of these guys have in common? No, it's not some crypto scheme, it is not drop shipping, it is not Amazon FBA, and most importantly, it's not a Ponzi scheme. What they're doing is following the exact blueprint that I did when I started this in 2022, where I was able to quit my 9-to-5 job as a physiotherapist, and now I'm just working from the comfort of my own home, where I have location freedom, time freedom, and most importantly, financial freedom. If you're wondering how to do this, make sure you stick to the very end, because you can start this business with zero experience and most importantly, a zero upfront cost. Yes, you don't need to pay a single cent to actually start this business, and it has changed my life, and I hope it'll change your life as well. And essentially what this business is doing SaaS, software as a service. Now before you go, oh no, what the heck is this? I'm not a tech guy, I'm not a software person, I don't even know how to use my computer properly. Don't worry, it's not that hard. Again, I was able to do this from a physiotherapist background that had nothing to do with IT, nothing to do with computers. I was still able to make it. So if I can do it, I believe you can as well. So let's dive into it. First, let me give you some examples. This example is Reachify. This is a software company that does missed call text backs. And essentially what that is just imagine I'm a client calling a barbershop and I call them, they're busy cutting hair and they don't pick up. What Reachify does is if someone doesn't pick up the phone, then it automatically sends from the barbershop's phone number to my phone saying, hey, sorry I missed your call, but can I book you in at a different time? Here's my calendar if you can just check in and see if these times suit you. I then go in and I'm like, okay, next Monday at 2 p.m. works. I'll lock that in. The barber owner was still cutting hair, but because of the missed call text back, they booked automatically while they were still cutting hair. And they charge a service like this, very simple service, for $150 every single month. That's one example. Now let me give you another example. Next one is Loomly. Now Loomly is a software that does social media posting and scheduling. And they offer from $32, $64, and $131 every single month just to connect your Facebook, Instagram, TikTok accounts onto their software so that you can post, let's say on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursdays at 5 p.m. Right? And the last thing I want to show you guys is ClickFunnels. Now ClickFunnels is probably one of the most popular and well-known out of a lot of softwares. They're essentially a website builder that you can create websites and funnels from. And they have hundreds of templates that you can use, and it's actually quite user-friendly. Now you might be wondering, why the heck am I showing you all these softwares? Well, essentially, the business model is actually creating a software company just like these ones, except you don't need any coding, you don't need any fancy teams. I am a one-man team. I do all of this myself, right? And you don't need any prior knowledge in IT, as I said before. And how you're going to make this work is actually through a software called Gohighlevel. Now, Gohighlevel is absolutely amazing. I can't recommend it enough. They are the best software out there on the market right now. And what they do is essentially they allow you to white label this system. So if I just scroll down and show you guys, this is the white labeled platform where you can take Gohighlevel, which is essentially a combination of the 3 softwares that I showed you before and more. And you can take all these features and white label it, meaning you can sell it to your customers. You put your name, your logo on it, and set it as your own software, and you can sell it to other business owners and customers. You can decide your own customers of who you want to sell it to. You decide what price to sell it to, and this is just passive income for you guys. Just imagine one client that pays you $208 every single month. I've had students where they managed to sign 10 to 20 clients in just 3 to 6 months of starting this business. Now let me do the math for you. 10 clients at $208 a month. That's $2,000 a month. What can you do with $2,000 extra income every single month? Can you quit your job? Yes for some, no for many, but what if you get 20? What if you decide you don't want to sell it for $208? You want to sell it for $500 a month, which I do. And people buy because this is such an amazing software. If I set it at $500 a month and I just get 10 clients, that's $5,000 of income for me every single month. I believe many of you watching, $5,000 every single month is a lot of people's full-time jobs. And a lot of you might be thinking now, okay, this kind of makes sense, but I'm not sure what to do. It's a little bit confusing. And I'm going to show you guys what Gohighlevel looks like inside. And as you can see in the funnels tab, they have hundreds of funnels and websites with all these templates that you can choose from. And on top of that, there's other automations, there's the software planning, they have the missed call tech stack, they have a calendar system, they have everything you need. And you might be wondering, okay, how do you start? Remember how I told you need zero experience and zero upfront cost? Well, when you sign up to Gohighlevel, you get a free 14-day trial just on their website. If you Google Gohighlevel, it'll come up and you get a 14-day free trial. But I also said that for those that watch the very end, you'll have a little bit of a surprise. Because if you watch this far and you're thinking this is for you and you want to pull the trigger, well, go in the description below because I have something better for you. With the link in the description, not only will you get a 14-day free trial, instead you'll actually get a 30-day free trial of Gohighlevel. On top of that, with the free trial, you'll also get my own custom membership course. Now, this is the course that I've made to help the people that want to start making money online. And this is literally the blueprint that I've used and I've just given it to you. I teach you how to set up your SaaS agency, the whole thing. You can do it in just 24 hours. I teach you how to set up domains, logo and business names. I give you our own website snapshot and template that I've used myself with some hacks that are worth simply hundreds of dollars. Right? This is my own website that I use as for my own business. And I give you a similar template to this because I know this works. And all you have to do is go in, change the logo, change a few texts, and you're ready to go. And once you got everything set up, I got videos to teach you how to get leads, my cold call scripts, and I give you a bunch of my own recordings so that when you get your first clients, you actually have what I call the white labeled onboarding setup so that you can slot in to your system. And when people sign up to your software, they can watch these white label videos where I've taken out my name, my logo, and I'm just explaining the software to them so that when they sign up, they can watch the videos and be like, so that's how it works. So you don't have to go and do it. So what are you waiting for? The link is down below. If you have any questions at all, let me know because this is the best business model to start in 2023 using software and using AI. I hope you guys love this video. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. God bless.